Daniel Zubricki with Pc152.
Dave Anderson, Service Manager, Pc152.
Today we're going to show you how to safely use the drill press and go over its key functions.
All right, team, we're going to go over this drill press today, and then Daniel's going to demonstrate how you use it correctly. First thing you want to do is when you get up to it, check your JSA, which is either going to be attached to the machine or posted on the wall behind it. You want to go over the machine, make sure all the parts are on the machine, secured, nothing loose. The drill press is mounted to the floor. You want to check your belts under here, make sure they're not frayed, cut, damaged, or anything. Your speed is correct to the correct speed. Make sure you have the correct key that goes into the drill press so you can turn it on and off. Some have a light switch on them where you can turn them on to see better at what you're working on. So with that, we're going to let Daniel demonstrate the proper use on how to drill a hole in this piece of round pipe.
All right, before I start my work, I fill out on take 10, make sure I have on my face shield, my safety glasses, long sleeve shirt, my gloves, long pants, steel toe boots, and my ear protection. Also, I've read my JSA.
All right, Daniel's going to demonstrate how you drill a hole in a piece of round stock in the drill press at this point. He's going to go ahead and center punch his hole where he wants the mark to be. Okay, now he's going to take a white marker and mark the hole for better visibility of it. Okay, now he will insert the key into the drill press. And then he will flip his face shield down and line his hole up that he wants to drill in this pipe. Okay, now he's going to turn the drill press on, bring the drill bit down to the pipe or pin, whatever he's drilling on. Once he makes contact with it and it starts drilling, then he will add cutting oil to help lubricate the bit. And I'll step back because I don't have a face shield. Daniel's got the hole drilled through his pin. He'll back the drill press back out of the hole. Shut the drill press off and remove the key. He'll remove the key from the machine, and then he'll remove his pin and make sure the drill press is unplugged. And that, team, is how you operate a drill press safely at 152.